Hello my audience, welcome to my channel. I hope you are not fine because you are seeing my video. I give 100% guarantee that you will make a successful person from this video. So let's start the video. I think it is possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary. I hope I have understood. When something is important enough you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. Some people don't like change, but you need to embrace change if the alternative is disaster. Failure is an option here. If things are not failing, you are not innovating enough. The path to the CEO's office should not be through the CFO's office, and it should not be through the marketing department. It needs to be through engineering and design. It's very important to like the people you work with, otherwise your job is gonna be quite miserable. You want to have a future where you are expecting things to be better, not one where you are expecting things to be worse. I hope you understood. Great companies are built on great products. Always remember my audience. Good ideas are always crazy until they are not. Don't kidding. Hitting the subscribe and like button. Consistently think about how you could be doing things better. Keep questioning yourself. Always remember your mind. Important topic. If you are trying to create a company, it's like baking a cake. You have to have all the ingredients in the right proportion. Always remember, it's okay to have your eggs in one basket as long as you control what happens to that basket. Always remember your funny mind. The first step is to establish that something is possible, then probability will occur. Always remember your devil mind. If you are co-founder or CEO, you have to all kinds of tasks you might not want to do if you don't do your chores. The company won't succeed. No task is too manual. Always remember these things. Some funny moments in video. You can see this text in light green. Let's start. If you get up in the morning and think the future is going to be better, it is bright day, otherwise it's not. This last quotes. I could either watch it happen or be a part of it. Always remember your small, big mind. Finally video finish. I want to say in last video, don't hit the subscribe and like button. Don't worry, I'm just kidding. You hit the subscribe and like button. Please, I request to all my audience, you hit the subscribe and like button, please, because my efforts in very large quantity in this video. So please. Bye.